Welcome back to Green Thumb Chronicles. I'm Marni Thompson from Understanding Ag, and we are covering the soil health principles so that you can provide healthier food for you and your family in your backyard garden. Past episodes we have covered context and minimizing disturbance. This episode we will look at soil cover. Remember, with the soil health principles, we are trying to mimic nature. And in nature, we don't see a lot of bare soil because nature abhors bare soil. There are 5 things that help with soil cover. Soil cover maintains soil temperature. It protects the soil surface from erosion. It decreases evapotranspiration and provides a food source for the biology. And number 5, provides great weed control in your backyard garden. So we're measuring soil temperature of bare soil, which is just a few feet from my garden. The ambient temperature outside today is 88 degrees. This is a thermometer that just takes the temperature of the soil surface. And right now it's 117.8 degrees. You can see the bare soil, it is cracking here. It's very sealed so that when rain comes down, it seals the surface and it affects infiltration. So we're going to look at soil temperature where the soil is covered here in my garden. Remember, the ambient temperature is 88 degrees. Soil temperature is 82. The soil biology likes the soil temperature at 70 degrees, just like we do. They're more active then, and so when it's 85 to 100 degrees, the biology in the soil start dying, and then all of the moisture, or at least 75% of the moisture, is evaporating out of the soil. What the bare soil looked like, the surface of it was cracked and kind of sealed. This is bare. I've moved the residue. This is what the soil surface looks like under residue in my garden. You can see it's still damp from a couple nights of rain, whereas that was totally dry. You can also see a little bit of worms in the soil. So that is a great indicator of healthy soil. So remember, soil cover is food for the biology. So you think of this larger cover. There's insects like slugs that are called shredders, and they shred the bigger stuff. And then it goes into the soil and it breaks down into smaller pieces for the microbiology. So it's that cycle of all the different insects in the microbiology that provides food and carbon back into the soil. You can see some of my cover here is last year's corn stalks. I have my grass clippings. Some people use straw or hay. The biggest thing with your soil cover is to make sure that you know where it came from and if it has been sprayed recently, because that will kill your garden plants. Thanks for tuning in to Green Thumb Chronicles. Tune in next time where we will cover pollinators and diversity.